Imagine crafting an A-plus essay effortlessly, even amid hectic schedule. That's the power of paper. Today, I'm delving into how you can use this indispensable AI tool to transform your academic writing, making academic excellence achievable even for the busiest individual. Welcome everyone, this is Knowledge Blog, and I want to appreciate you for always showing up to watch my videos. Thank you for your loyalty. So are you ready to take your writing skills into another level, actually an higher level? Now picture this: you are juggling multiple responsibilities. Let's say you are working in an office and you have a lot of tasks, and there's also need for you to complete an application, your academic application, and it's becoming so tough. Yet you need to ace that essay writing. That is where Paperpal comes in. It is your trusted companion in the realm of academic writing. First thing first, let's talk about the ease of access. With just a few clicks, you can create an account on Paperpal's user-friendly platform. No fools, no hassle. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. Now, let me walk you through its plethora features. From grammar checks to plagiarism detection, Paperpal has you covered. And for those pressed for time, its submission ensures your essay meets journal standards without hours of painstaking review. But here is where it gets really exciting. I want you to picture yourself effortlessly generating outlines, rewriting sentences, and even trimming down paragraphs, all with the help of this AI called Paperpal. It's like having a personal assistant that you can just, that is within your beck and call, that hey, help me do this, can you help me do this, help me do that. That is what Paperpal does for you. It is your personal writing assistant available to you 24/7. Be it that you want to paraphrase complex ideas, simply highlight the text, then click paraphrase, and voila, Paperpal provides a rewritten version of your earlier text just in seconds. It is perfect for maintaining academic integrity while saving time. Let's not forget about trim, one of the features on Paperpal called trim. Let's say goodbye, ciao ciao to wordy paragraph. Come on. With just a quick click, Paperpal helps you condense your writing without sacrificing clarity. It is not your regular AI app that when you try to use this type of features, your important ideas are gone. It is ideal for those aiming to meet strict word limit. For example, in GCUB, you are to provide your essay 1,000 words and your essay 2 4,000 words. If you don't want to exceed this word limit, you can actually use Paperpal. Now, let me show you the magic of generating outline. Whether you are tackling the introduction or background of the study, methods or results section, Paperpal streamlines the process, providing a structured framework to guide your writing. It's like having a roadmap for your essay, ensuring that every point is covered comprehensively. And for those moments of uncertainty, we have all been there, those moments when you try to write something and boom, everything seems to disappear from your head. Paperpal feature called Co-Pilots got you covered. This feature offers valuable insights and suggestions, helping you to navigate the complexity of academic writing with ease. Now, in today's fast-paced world, time is of essence. That is why tools like Paperpal are more than just helpful. They are essential to every researcher. They empower you to excel academically, even when life throws its toughest challenges on your way. So if you are ready to unlock the full potential of Paperpal, there's a link down the description box of this video. Just click it and there you go. Give Paperpal a try and watch your essay transform into A+ masterpiece. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on conquering the academic world. Until next time, I'm wishing you success in your next academic endeavor. Ciao, ciao.